Hello everyone. Welcome back again. Today, we will learn English at home. Not a classroom, not a textbook. Real English. In a real house. You will hear morning conversations, breakfast talk, chores, relaxing in the afternoon, dinner time, and getting ready for bed. All the sentences are simple, natural, and very common. You will hear questions and answers, polite and casual responses, short dialogues between family members. Listen carefully. Repeat after me if you can. Pause the video anytime. Let's begin. Welcome to English at Home. Scene 1. Morning. Waking up and getting ready. Good morning. It's time to wake up. The alarm clock is ringing. Can you turn off the alarm, please? I'm still sleepy. Just 5 more minutes. My mom opens the door. She says, "Wake up or you'll be late." I sit up on my bed. "What time is it?" "It's 7:15, she says. "Breakfast is almost ready." I stretch my arms and yawn. "Okay, I'm coming." I go to the bathroom. "Is anyone in there?" My brother says, "I'm brushing my teeth." "Wait a minute," I say. "Please hurry up." He comes out. The bathroom is free now. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I comb my hair. Where's my blue shirt? "Did you see it?" Mom says, "Check the closet. It's on the hanger." "Oh, here it is." "Thanks, Mom." Scene 2. Breakfast. At the kitchen table. I walk into the kitchen. Something smells good. Mom says, "I made eggs and toast. Do you want juice or milk?" "Milk, please." She asks, "Cold or warm?" "Cold is fine." My dad is reading the news on his phone. "Good morning, everyone." "Good morning, Dad," I say. He asks, "Did you sleep well?" "Yes, pretty well." "And you?" "Not bad," he says. But the neighbor's dog was barking. Mom puts the plates on the table. Let's eat before the food gets cold. I take a bite. This is delicious. Mom smiles. "Thank you." "Eat slowly, don't rush." My brother says, "Can you pass the salt, please?" "Sure. Here you go." "Thanks," he says. Dad looks at the clock. We have 20 minutes before school. I'm almost done. I say, after breakfast, I put my plate in the sink. "Do I need to wash it now?" Mom says, "Just rinse it and leave it. I'll do the dishes later." "Okay. Thank you for breakfast." Scene 3. Chores. Cleaning and helping at home. After school, I come home. I'm back. Mom says, "Welcome home. Can you help me with something?" "Sure. What needs to be done?" "Please sweep the living room floor," she says. "No problem." "Where's the broom?" "Behind the kitchen door." I find the broom and start sweeping. There's a lot of dust here. Mom laughs. "That's why we clean every day." My brother asks, "Do you want me to vacuum the carpet?" "Yes, please," Mom says. "And don't forget under the table." He plugs in the vacuum cleaner. It's a little loud. I say, "Sorry, I can't hear you." We both laugh. After sweeping, I ask, "What's next?" Mom says, "Take out the trash, please." "The bag is full." "Yes, tie it tightly." I take the bag outside to the big bin. "Done." "Good job," Mom says. "You helped a lot today." Scene 4. Afternoon, relaxing and talking. I sit on the sofa. Finally, some rest. My brother sits next to me. What do you want to watch? I don't know. Something funny. He grabs the remote. How about this cartoon? Too childish. I say. Try another one. Okay. This travel show looks nice. Yeah, let's watch that. Mom comes in with tea. I made hot tea. Who wants some? Me please. We both say. She gives us 2 cups. Be careful. It's hot. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. She sits down too. What are you watching? A travel show about Japan. I say. Oh, I've always wanted to go there. She says. I say, maybe one day we can all go together. That would be lovely, she says. Scene 5. Evening, dinner, and winding down. Dad comes home from work. I'm home. We all say, welcome back. He puts his bag down. Something smells wonderful. What's for dinner? Mom says, chicken soup and rice. My favorite. Dad says, we set the table. Can you put the spoons and forks? Mom asks me, yes. How many people? 4. She says, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We sit down to eat. Dad asks, how was school today? Good. I say, I got a B on my math test. That's great. Dad says, be proud of yourself. My brother says, I got an A on my spelling test. Excellent. Mom says, both of you did well. After dinner, we clear the table. I'll wash the dishes tonight, Dad offers. Are you sure? Mom asks. Yes. You cooked. Let me clean. Mom smiles. Thank you. That's very kind. Scene 6. Night. Preparing for tomorrow. I go to my room. I need to pack my school bag. I check my notebook. Math book, notebook, pencil case, and water bottle. I put everything inside. Am I forgetting something? Oh, my homework. It's in the drawer. I put the homework in the folder. Now it's ready. Mom knocks on the door. Can I come in? Yes. She says, don't stay up too late. I won't. Just 10 more minutes of reading. Okay. She says, good night. Sleep well. Good night, Mom. Love you. Love you too, she says and closes the door. I turn on my small reading light. This book is so interesting. After 10 minutes, I close the book. Time to sleep. I turn off the light. Another day done. See you tomorrow home. Great job finishing today's lesson. You just heard over 50 real sentences people use at home every single day, from waking up in the morning to saying good night at the end of the day. Now it's your turn to practice. If this lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more real-life English situations. And write in the comments, what is one English sentence you say at home? I read every comment. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.